Good morning, everyone. ഇന്നലെ രാത്രി എൻ്റെ സ്വപ്നത്തിൽ ജീസസ് ക്രൈസ്റ്റ് വന്നു.
Hey everyone. So I just wanted to say a couple quick things. There's so much happening in the world. Craziness coming at us all the time when we turn on our social media, our Twitter, our news feed. And I just want to say to all of you that it's okay to not be okay. And it's okay to take a second for you. Find a moment for yourself to refill, to do something that makes your heart happy.
Okay, Jesus Christ Allah, but I hear you, Justin. So, I have decided to do something that brings joy to me. Adonde, I'm bringing back Talk with Archie! Okay. Actually, ittavanatte Talk with Archie is gonna be slightly different from itra naale nammal cheyunnathu. Why? So, let's start with the show. So, welcome back to Talk with Archie. This is a season. We shoot vertical shoot. So, it's going to be slightly different. And I have Phoebe, I have my guinea pigs, even okay background scores now. So that's how this video is gonna be. And I hope you guys enjoy it. In that പക്ഷേ ഈ വീഡിയോ വരാൻ പോകുന്നത് വേറൊരു ദിവസമാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ ലൈവ് പോയിരുന്നു 6 മണിക്ക്. So let's go check out how our game session was. So we're gonna start with the game. Game കളിക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന മുമ്പ് I want most of you people to have a paper and pen. ഞാൻ ഒന്നൊന്നായി ആൾക്കാരെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യട്ടെ. ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. Okay. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Gigi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Talk to Pabla. ബോറടിച്ചിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ ഓർത്തു നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് ഇന്ററാക്റ്റീവ് ഗെയിംസ് ഒക്കെ നടത്തി കുറച്ച് ഫണ്ണാവാണ്. ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റിന് കഴിക്കുന്ന 3 കാര്യങ്ങൾ.
ഇഡലി, ദോശ, പുട്ട്.
I have some tricks here. Okay. And I'm going to ask my dad to pick one, and he's going to basically pick Pictionary. He's going to draw on it. And I want you to guess.
Fine.
Okay? Exactly. Say hi.
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 Sara.
Yes. ഇതെന്താണ്?
Basket?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Wow!
Comedy song movie.
അയ്യോ ഒടിയൻ മറ്റേ
Hey, Odeon is not
No, I am wrong. I just thought. No, I can see the movies in my mind, but the names never came.
Okay. आज मेरे पास डैश है, डैश है, डैश है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Vandi?
बोला
I
डायलॉग
don't know what is.
आज मेरे पास वंडी है.
आज मेरे पास Vandi है. I don't know what is Bangla in Malayalam.
ഇത് പറഞ്ഞോ?
Veed.
Okay.
Veed and
डैश है.
and काश. So आज मेरे पास Vandi है, बांग्ला है, काश है, बांग्ला है, काश है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
അതിന്റെ മലയാളം പറഞ്ഞേ.
താണ്ടകൾ എന്തുകൊണ്ട്?
അപ്പൊ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു ലോക്ക്ഡൌൺ ഇത്രയും ദിവസം?
ലോക്ക്ഡൌൺ ഭയങ്കര ശോകായിരുന്നു.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഷോക്കായിരുന്നു.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ആ അവസ്ഥയെന്ന ഒരു സന്തോഷം നമുക്ക് മാത്രല്ലല്ലോ.
വീട്ടിലാരൊക്കെയുണ്ട്?
Little parents under and I have an elder sister. I don't like her, but she's there. Yeah.
I hope my brother is watching this and he gets the point that I kind of tolerate it. അപ്പം ഇന്ന് വന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും താങ്ക് യു. ആൻഡ് ഞാൻ ആലോചിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ ഫ്രൈഡേ ഞാൻ ലൈവ് വരും, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഗെയിം പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യാം. If you guys like it, let me know. We will plan more. Take care. See you soon next week. Bye. കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളോട് ചോദിച്ചു ഈ ലോക്ക്ഡൌണിന്റെ സമയത്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏറ്റവും സന്തോഷം തന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്താണ്. So I got a lot of mails and thank you for sending me all that. So I'm going to go through a few of them. And so here I have Shifana. I hope I'm saying it right. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. Shifana Umair, KP. I brought a new small aquarium in my room, and that made me to keep engaged during this lockdown and quarantine. So I have realized that there are few people who bought aquarium. Fish was in demand. So let's go see their videos. Next we have Christine. Christine enda cheyana namukariya.
So something good that really happened during lockdown was I had lots of scar marks on my face, lots of black spots before lockdown. So during lockdown I did lots of natural therapy, natural treatment, and now it's not fully gone, but it's really reduced a lot. So that's something really good that happened. Thank you.
So fish, like I said, was in demand. Planting trees was in a demand. Arunima, fishes farming and plants with her friends. Avata item, iron. Okay, iron. The weekly, a bird wanted to nest form chedu, and she shared that video. Isn't it so beautiful, like life happening in front of you? Anyway, so where korchu pillaru they shot a web series or a short film, and they sent us the bloopers. So check that out.
Action.
So everybody is trying to. That's my Phoebe, by the way. Sorry about it, but they are trying new talents, learning to cook, planting trees, taking care of so many other things. And though lockdown has been difficult for a lot of us and everyone, I would say, there were few moments of joy. So let's spread joy with Talk with Archie. And this section was about sharing happiness, joy with me. So if you guys have something interesting and something that gave you joy this lockdown or any time, you can share it with me. And the website Gmail account where you can send it is websitieskavi@gmail.com. Please send your videos and we'll put it here. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് സെഷൻ ഓഫ് ടോക്ക് വിത്ത് ആർച്ചിയിലേക്ക് പോവാണ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ഇവിടെ ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് മ്യൂസിക് ഒക്കെ കാണും, ബിക്കോസ് ഫീബി ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് കരച്ചിലുണ്ടാവും. സോറി ഫോർ ദാറ്റ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചോദിച്ചിരുന്നു. അതിൽ 3 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഞാൻ ഷോർട്ട് ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ആൻഡ് ഐ എം ഗോണ ആൻസർ ദം. So basically what I was saying is I asked you guys to send me questions, which you did, and I'm going to answer 3 from it, as I'm going to answer your question section. I don't know why I did that, but okay. So first question is, have you ever encountered with word failure? If so, how did you overcome it? It's Ashish Jain is his name. Failures a lot of failures. ഇപ്പം എനിക്ക് പറയാനുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 12ാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ മാത്സ് എക്സാമിൽ തോറ്റായിരുന്നു ബോർഡ്സിൽ. So I had to rewrite it. So that's one of the failures I went through. how did I overcome? I think, very frankly, you need to have little bit of strong heart. But the only way you can overcome is if you have people around you who care about you and love you and keep reminding you that, you know what, it's just one of the failures. This doesn't define you. You are amazing. And just surround yourself with amazing people. I overcome all my failures because of my friends and family. So, to my parents and my brother and my family and my friends, blessed to have all of them. Anyway, so this became slightly a serious mood, I think. So I'm going to move to the next question, which is, Gopika wanted to ask, why are parents so manipulative? Parents manipulative. You know what? Let's ask a parent. Papa! There's a question, Papa.
What question?
Ba, Nidike. Come. Join me. So the question Gopika wanted to ask is, why are parents so manipulative?
First of all, I don't agree to that question, manipulative.
No, in the sense...
Maybe maneuvering would be the right word, not manipulating. There are certain things they adjust it.
No, like why...
For the good of the children.
Basically, I think what she wanted to ask is, ഈ ഭക്ഷണം കൊടുക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ കൊക്കാച്ചി വരും അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറയില്ലേ? Or any other thing. Like,
is it manipulation?
Why don't they say the truth? Why do they...
They don't eat food.
So just say eat food. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ അല്ലേ?
In that word, maybe it's each one's perception.
So what should she do when she feels her parent is manipulating?
Confront them.
Like how?
Why are you doing that? Go and face them and who are you doing it? And tell them that she understands that they are manipulating. And challenge them.
And when you get beaten up,
then
you know who to go.
They can beat only once, maybe twice, maybe 6 times. But they get fed up afterwards.
Jesus Christ ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം ഒരു കവള് കാണിച്ചാൽ മറ്റേ കവള് കാണിച്ചു പിന്നെ അടിയോടാണ്
7 times 70 times 7 times 70 times, that's what he said. You are forgiving. So, but I think it's better if you realize that parents are manipulating you, or it's better to tell them and make them understand that you understand that they are manipulating you. But it's good for the children, but no parent
manipulates. We just do whatever for the betterment of the children. Yeah.
Can I go?
Yes, you can. So that's the advice. If you feel like somebody is manipulating you, tell them that you understand that this is not true and you have your brains. പക്ഷേ അച്ഛനമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് തർക്കുത്തരം പറയുമ്പം സൂക്ഷിച്ച് പറയാം. Okay. You know, next question is also a little intense, but Anisha wanted to ask, how are you handling your mental health amidst So I have a problem. I can't say all the words. COVID. By the way, I love the new version of Archana. I don't know what the new version is. But okay, thank you. Anyway, so mental health. How did I man? Come, Jasna. Come here. So Jasna is a friend, and she has been with me during this lockdown time. എനിക്ക് എപ്പോഴൊക്കെയോ low feel ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ, I have called her and another friend of mine because I think you should surround yourself with people who care. And I have a Phoebe. Well, when she cries, I feel like, oh God, you know what, life is better. You have seen me depressed. You have seen me in the worst stage. What do you want to say? I'm just going to fix Phoebe.
She do things that distracts her the most, like tried me all her closets and posing here and there
I shop.
camera. She shops and She loves organic things and she's like,
ബേസിക്കലി ഞാൻ ഇൻസ്റ്റഗ്രാമിൽ കുറെ സെർച്ച് ചെയ്യും, പിന്നെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനെ വിളിക്കും, പിന്നെ പാട്ട് കേൾക്കും. Perfume has helped me. So every day I try to fool my mind that, you know what, why don't you check this out or do this, do that, and that gives me a great distraction. And my experience has been that you should be surrounded by people who care about you, who love you. Even if you don't, it's okay. I said I don't care about you. So even if surround yourself with people who genuinely care about you, even if it's just one person. That makes a huge difference. And yeah, that's that. Thank you, Jasna.
Thank you, Zichi.
Thanks for this episode. Thank
Welcome.
you. So this was the new version of Talk with Archie. Very homely, very gharelu, very Maggie noodles made in 2 minutes, and I hope you liked it. If you want me to make more such videos, please let me know. Please comment below and let me know what all videos you would like to see. I am trying to get back, and I know I'm not consistent. I ghost. It's because of the mental health. I'll try and be as regular as I can. So I have a question before you guys leave, and please comment below. So the question is, dosti ka dash hai madam, no sorry, no thank you. Which movie is this from, and what is dash? And if possible, give me dash in other language. It can be English, it can be your mother tongue, Malayalis. Let me know in Malayalam. So that's Talk with Archie for you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Please subscribe, like, share this video because it matters to me. Bye.